Luxury sedans are supposed to be smooth, powerful, and make you feel like royalty on wheels. But not all glitter is gold, and not every shiny badge guarantees a great ride. Some of these high-priced chariots are more pain than prestige. Here are 6 luxury sedans you'd be better off avoiding. Number 1. Jaguar XF, the cat that forgot how to roar. The Jaguar XF looks the part, sleek, British, and sophisticated. But don't let that pretty face fool you. This feline comes with more baggage than a royal scandal. Its infotainment system is about as responsive as a sloth on a Sunday. And reliability, let's just say your local mechanic might as well be on speed dial. It also depreciates faster than warm beer on a hot day. 1 minute you spent a small fortune. The next, it's worth less than your neighbor's Honda Civic. The ride is stiff, and the cabin materials scream premium-ish. Overall, it's the luxury car equivalent of a Tinder date that looks great in photos, but talks only about cryptocurrency. Number 2. Maserati Ghibli, Italian drama, on and off the road. The Maserati Ghibli. Just saying it makes you feel fancy. Unfortunately, owning one is like dating someone who's way out of your league. They look amazing, but you'll constantly be stressed, broke, and explaining things to tow truck drivers. Sure, it has a Ferrari-sourced engine, but you'd have to push it like one of Michelangelo's sculptures to get the most out of it. The interior feels more Fiat than Ferrari. And reliability, let's just say it's not a question of if something will break, it's when. And when it does, parts are pricier than your last vacation. It's a gorgeous diva with serious commitment issues. Number 3. Volvo S90, safety first, excitement last. The Volvo S90 is like that extremely polite friend who never raises their voice, always arrives on time, and somehow manages to bore you into a coma. Yes, it's safe. Yes, it's beautiful in a minimalist Swedish design museum kind of way. But if you're looking for fun behind the wheel, these ones are definite nope. The steering is numb, the drive is uninspiring, and the plug-in hybrid version feels like it's constantly asking, are we there yet? Plus, Volvo's Sensors infotainment system has a learning curve steeper than a Swedish Fjord. It's a great car if you want to drive something that makes you feel nothing. In that case, mission accomplished. Number 4. BMW 7 Series, the tech overload nobody asked for. The BMW 7 Series used to be the king of luxury sedans. Smooth, sporty, and solid. Now, it's a rolling tech demo that forgot it was supposed to be a car. Gesture controls let you twirl your finger in the air to adjust the volume, which is fun, until you sneeze and accidentally skip your favorite song. Then there's the grille. Oh, the grille. It looks like it was designed by someone with a vendetta, again a subtlety. The driving dynamics have gotten softer, trying too hard to be everything to everyone, and ending up as the automotive version of lukewarm tea. It's bloated, overly complicated, and desperately trying to stay relevant. Kind of like a 2000s pop star launching a TikTok. Number 5. Audi A8, understated to the point of invisible. The Audi A8 is so understated, you might forget you own one. It's comfortable, sure. Quiet? Absolutely. But exciting? Not even close. It tries so hard to be the mature adult in the luxury sedan class that it forgets to have any personality whatsoever. The infotainment system is touch-sensitive everything. No knobs, no buttons, just fingerprints and frustration. The driving experience is so disconnected, you'd swear the car was being operated remotely by a disinterested intern. If your idea of luxury is feeling nothing, hearing nothing, and remembering nothing, the A8 is your perfect match. Just don't expect it to turn heads or corners with any enthusiasm. A quick one, please smash the sub button so you're always the first to learn about the latest SUV reviews and trends. All done? Great. Honorary mention, Rolls-Royce Ghost. The $300,000 car you'll be too afraid to drive. Before you clutch your pulse, yes, the Ghost is exquisite. But also, why? It costs as much as a house, and once you own it, every portal feels like a threat to your financial future. The ride is buttery smooth. The materials aren't crafted by mythical creatures, probably, but it's more of a mobile museum than a daily driver. Most owners won't even drive it themselves, which is probably smart, considering you'll need a support group after each scratch. It's absurdly luxurious, but that luxury comes with anxiety levels typically reserved for skydiving with a tangled parachute. Unless you are a royal, a rapper, or a Bond villain, the Ghost is best admired from afar. Number 6. Cadillac XTS. Grandpa called. He wants his car back. The Cadillac XTS was supposed to bring the brand into the modern age, but instead, it clung to its past like a dusty photo album. It's the automotive equivalent of wearing socks with sandals. Functional, but painfully out of touch. It rides like a couch, not in a good way. The front-wheel drive platform is uninspiring, and the infotainment system feels like it was designed on a flip phone. Handling? Think cruise ship. Acceleration? If you wait long enough, it will get there. It's not bad. It's just tired. Like it wants you to stop asking it to be relevant and let it go nap in peace.
Rest in peace.
Final thoughts. Luxury isn't always a good time. Luxury sedans are meant to elevate your drive, but sometimes they just elevate your repair bills and blood pressure. Whether it's bad tech, sketchy reliability, or just an all-round snooze fest, these 7 cars prove that luxury doesn't always mean quality. So, if you've got money to spend, do yourself a favor, buy smart, not just shiny, and whatever you do, don't let a badge be your blindfold. Unless you like explaining to your accountant car why your dream car now lives in your mechanic's garage. Now, click the video on your left to check out these 10 cheapest luxury cars that refuse to die. They have the best engines and boast impressive reliability. Till next time, cheers.